This old guy DIY video has to do with making a base for a umbrella, whether used around the pool or in the backyard. But this is an 80-pound base that will not blow away. And if we look down here, you'll see that it's mounted on a dolly from Harbor Freight that they sell for $8. Materials to make this thing include 6 feet of 2x8. So you have 2 pieces that are 24 inches long, 2 pieces that are 12 inches long. And then I have a piece of 1.5 inch gray PVC. And when I was building this, I just put duct tape over the bottom of it and set it in place. And to build it, I built this with 6 feet of 2x8. You just cut 2 pieces that are 2 feet for these long sides, and then 2 pieces that are 1 foot for the end. And then you need 1 piece of 1/2 inch plywood that's 24 by 15. That's the top that you saw on the other side. And then this is a Hallmaster mini mover dolly from Harbor Freight. I paid $7.99 with their coupon. But when I'm building this, I make the frame, I lay it on a piece of plastic on the driveway, and then I took a piece of 1.5 inch PVC, I put duct tape on one end, and then I just stuck it right down where I thought I wanted it. And then I mixed up 80 pounds of concrete in my wheelbarrow. 80 pounds of concrete costs about $8 at Menards. And I just started dumping the concrete into the form. And then once it was set up a little bit, I wiggled the PVC around. It's under this piece right now. So I wiggled the PVC around and positioned it where I wanted it. And then I just let it dry for 2 days. And then you can see I put this center piece across just to help carry the load. And then I put this mover's dolly on there just with a few wood screws. There's only a screw here and a screw there, and 1 screw there and 1 screw there. And this is the 2nd year for this particular unit. You can see the end piece of wood has broken out where the umbrella comes on it from the other side. But this end unit weighs a little over 80 pounds. And with the wheels, you can roll it around wherever you want it. Little kids can even roll it. So as the sun changes direction, or I should say moves through the sky, and you want the shade in a different spot, you just wheel this around wherever you want it. And also, since it ends up off the ground about 1 foot, it's a nice place to put drinks or music or phones, whatever you like. And in my case, the pole for the umbrella is 1.5 inches. So I used 1.5 inch diameter PVC, as I mentioned. And then I put that piece of 1/2 inch plywood on there and just put some screws around the outside edges. And we paint the thing each year. And that's that.